Yes, hello everyone. Good morning, guys.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
sir.
Morning,
Yes,
sir.
good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning, guys. I hope my voice is audible for all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, guys, see. Okay, in the yesterday class, we have done our topic from topic number one to topic number four. Correct? In this ITIL, right, na, guys? One to four, we have discussed, right? What is the incident? What are the differences between an incident and a problem? So, what is incident management? So, what is problem management? Correct? So, guys,
Yes,
anyone
sir.
any queries in the previous class?
No, sir. No, sir.
It's all clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, guys, okay, now, okay, from today, we are going to start our topic from a service request and incident request. Okay, these two topics, first of all, we will discuss. Okay, so we
Yes.
can wait for a okay, we can wait for a 2 and 3 minute more. Okay, because all the people will connect. Okay, and guys, see if you will miss ITL class now, so there's no any backup for this class because except me in this eVision, no one know. Okay, no one knows about ITL. No one. Okay, for a Windows, maybe Rahul sir can give you a backup class. For a network, maybe Vibhushit sir. Okay, maybe your Roshan sir. Okay, can give you this class, but the ITIL and delivery process and their management terms only I know here. Correct, because I'm ITIL, okay, because I'm ITIL certified as well as PMP certified, right? as well as Six Sigma certified. So I know very well how it's going on, right? So okay, and guys, ITR classes I'm providing at last, correct? And I'm going in a leave from the Monday now. I will be in a leave for 10-15 days, like you can say, correct? Because I'm going to my hometown. It's in Bihar, right? That's why I will be in a leave. Okay, and guys, anyone here who are in a fast for a Navratri?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
No, sir. Only specific days.
Okay, only means first puja, Saptami,
Yes.
Ashtami, like.
First, yes, sir.
First and last, sir.
Ashtami.
Yes.
Okay,
On
first and
Ashtami.
on Ashtami, right. No, actually, I'm the elder son of my family, right? That's why. Okay, and my father health is not too much good. That's why I'm doing everything, right? But due to job, I'm in a Delhi. Okay, but on a Sunday night, okay, I have a flight for Patna, right? So I will go my hometown and will spend 10 days without any classes. Okay, no any works. Okay, because in a 1 year only I'm taking a 10 days of leave. Okay, for 10 to 15 days of leave for my family only. Rest all time, okay, only work and this all in the Delhi. Right. So guys, that's why
So you
okay.
are from
It
Patna.
will be very. No. I actually I'm from Dhanwad, it's Jharkhand. Correct. But
No.
my native place, you can say, okay, my grandfather and all the family is correct. Is in a Patna, in Bihar. Right. That's
My
why
hometown is also in Bihar, in Aurangabad.
Aurangabad. It's in a Gaya Aurangabad.
Yes. No.
Uh,
Near Gaya.
yes, near Gaya. I know. Gaya Navada, Aurangabad.
Yes.
Yes. I know. All right, guys. Okay. Now we can start. Guys, now we have a service request and incident request. Okay. Guys, see what is the meaning of service request and what is the meaning of incident request, guys? Okay, it will be clear by a simple scenario. Okay, guys, just assume all of you in your mind. Okay, Aditya and Ankit, we have a two people. Okay, I'm the engineer in the company. Okay, and Aditya and Ankit is my client. Correct. And Aditya is a new client. Okay, Aditya joined a company for a fine. Okay, in a finance department and a new. Okay, as a new employee. Correct. So guys, it's my responsibility to assign a PC to Aditya, right? To assign a new laptop, new desktop to Aditya so that Aditya can start their work, right? So guys, maybe I will assign, maybe any hardware team will assign also, right? It may possible. Okay, maybe a local team will assign. Correct, it may possible. So guys, okay, Aditya got a new PC, okay, new laptop, new desktop, anything. But guys, just try to understand. By default, Aditya PC will be in a work group, na? Right?
Yes,
Guys, by
sir.
default, any PC will be in a
Yes.
work group. So guys, as an engineer, it's my responsibility to convert a PC from a work group to domain, correct? So that Aditya PC I can handle from a central server, right now. So guys, for this Aditya will request me, like Tarun sir, please do it fast. I want to start my work. Okay. So guys, in this condition, I will convert the Aditya PC from a work group to domain environment, right? From a work group to domain. So guys, in this condition, while converting the machine, okay, in a work group to environment, guys, I'm solving an issue. No, I'm providing a service, right? I can take a time now if I'm busy, okay, in a different issue. So I can tell to Aditya, I'm busy right now, okay, and all my team are busy. So okay, I will do it in a evening and maybe tomorrow. So guys, it's a service request. How? Because Aditya, okay, want to start their work, right? So Aditya is requesting to me, correct? So in this condition, okay, if I will convert Aditya PC from okay work group to domain today, tomorrow, maybe after 2 days, okay, maybe after 1 days, so it will not affect a company and their process, right? Because Aditya is a new member, right? So Aditya can join from tomorrow. Aditya can start with their work after 2 days. It's not a problem for us. It's not an issue for us, right? So guys, what is service request? Service request is a pre-approved request, okay, that our organization are offering to our users. Okay, for example, converting the user's PC from a work group to domain, it's a service request. Okay, Aditya is asking for a new laptop, new desktop, new anything, correct? So I can give after a time if Aditya is a new user, correct? So guys, service request is a request for providing something, providing a service, not solving an issue. In a service request, we are providing a service. Okay, by converting the PC, okay, by assigning something new assets, something new assets, okay, by assigning. Okay, assets means something new hardware, something new software. Correct. So guys, service request is a request, okay, in which our organization are offering service to our users. Correct. But guys, incident request is also type of request, because incident means sudden issue and first time issue, right? So guys, in this condition, Ankit is a user. Okay, Ankit is saying, Tarun sir, my Outlook is not working, and I need to send a mail urgently. I need to send a mail urgently. So guys, Aditya got an incident suddenly, na? Suddenly Outlook is not working. So it's an incident. So guys, in this condition also Aditya will, oh, sorry, in this condition also Ankit will tell me, sir, please solve it as soon as possible. I want to start my work, right? Like this. So guys, in this condition, what's happening? I'm not providing any service to Ankit. I'm not providing any service to Ankit. I'm solving the Ankit issue. Correct now. So guys, incident request is a request for solving some issues, solving something within an immediate situation, within an immediate condition. For example, I did okay. For example, Ankit Outlook is not working. Okay, Ankit is my user in a company, so it's my responsibility to resolve it. Right. So guys, in both condition, Aditya will also request me, as well as guys, okay, Ankit will also request me, right? Because Ankit can't hold my call now. Simple thing. Okay, in both condition, request will come. Okay, but okay, we have two different kind of request. One is a service request. Okay, that Aditya is saying. One is an incident request that Ankit is saying. Correct. So a service request is a request for providing some services, but incident request is a request for solving something within an immediate situation, because incident needs, guys, incident management concept is fix the issue as soon as possible, in short. Correct. Fix the issue as soon as possible is a concept of an incident, sorry, incident management, right now. So guys, in service request, I will provide a service to Aditya. In an incident request, I will solve the Ankit issue. Okay guys, both are request, but okay, both have differences. Okay, so an incident request is the most important for us. Why? Because Ankit is working from last 1 and 2 years, right? So Ankit is a old user in a company. Okay, Ankit is already working. Okay, Ankit is a part of a company environment. Correct. So I will give a more important, more priority to the Ankit. Okay, because Aditya can wait now. He's a new user, right? But Ankit can't wait because Ankit is already working. Okay, suddenly mail is not working, so it's very important to solve it, right? So guys, for you, it's important for knowing about okay, what is the differences between a service request and incident request. Okay, and guys, I will give you more example, like no issue, but first make a note in your notebook. Okay, first write it down about an incident request and service request. Okay, now same thing as I told you, because it's my own notes. Okay, it's my own handwritten notes. Correct. So you will understand it very easily. Okay, so write it down. Okay, what is service request, what is incident request? Okay, guys, see what is service request. I've written here, service request is a request for pre-approved service that an organization can offer to its end users. An incident request is a request for resolving something within with an immediate situation. Correct. So these are differences between a service request and incident request. Okay, guys, the same thing I told you. Okay, and write it down. These differences means okay, guys. See, interviewer can also ask the question, what is SR and IR? What is SR and IR in ITIL? So SR means service request, IR means incident request. So don't be confused in this word. Don't be confused in this word, because both are same to same. Okay, so okay, write it down about incident service request and incident request. Okay. Okay, so please make a notes. Differences between a service request and incident request differences. Guys, I hope all of you have written.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, done now. Okay. Now see. Guys, okay. Now we have a topic asset management and change management. Okay. Guys, see, first of all, asset management topic is not for your use, not for our use. Because it's in a very previous notes, right? But asset management topic is not for our use because what's happening, guys? Organization have a separate engineer who are only working on asset that we are calling hardware engineer, right? You are not going to apply in a hardware engineer, right? So how to manage hardware, assets, inventory, it's not for your use, correct? So asset management is not important for you because okay, organization has a separate department for assets, correct? Okay, we are calling asset engineer who are responsible for managing the asset. Guys, asset means hardware and software, all the components that we are using in a company, like a printer, router, computer, switch, keyboard, mouse, ISO image, any software file, any Windows image. Okay, these all are the asset. So we are not going to manage asset, correct? We are not going to manage any kind of assets, right, guys? And in short, you are not going to manage any kind of assets, correct? So asset management is not for our use, right? Okay, and guys, change management topic you will understand when I will show you the ticketing tool. Correct now how ticketing tool works now. On that time, I will show you how the change management is working. Okay, because it needs a practical implementation. Correct, by a theory. Okay, not all the things will be clear. Correct. Right. Okay, guys. Then we have a priority and severity. Okay, two topics. Guys, topic number 7. Okay, I'm skipping due to it's not important for us because company has a separate asset engineer, okay, who will work on asset. Okay, change management means if you are applying any changes, what are the things you need to take care there, right? So change management, okay, I will tell you, but at last, correct? Then it will be more clear for you. Otherwise, now if I will tell you about a change management, now you will get doubts. Okay, but after taking tool, okay, then I will change. Means okay, then I will tell you about a change management, so it will be a clear for you. Okay, then you have a priority and severity. Correct. Guys, see what is the meaning of priority? Priority means importance of issues, right? Important of issues is the priority, right now. Correct. So okay, let's okay try to understand, guys. I'm asking a one question to you. Guys, just assume you are an engineer in a company, okay, and you have a 3 different client. Okay, means you got a 3 different ticket. Okay, client 1, client 2, and client 3. Right now. Okay, and guys, all 3 client have a different issues. Okay, I'm creating a scenario here. Then it will be more clear for you. Otherwise, the doubt will be present. So just give me a second. Okay, so just assume you are working for a Wipro organization. Okay, this is a Wipro company. Just assume. Okay, you are an engineer. This is you. Okay, and guys, you have a 3. Okay, you have a 3 different client. Okay, client 1, client 2, and client 3. Okay, you have a 3 different client. Okay, guys, and client 1. Okay, this is your client 1. Okay, this is a client 2, and this is your client 3. Correct. Okay, guys, this is you. You means you are an engineer in a company, right? Okay. So guys, client 1 is getting an issue in operating system. Client 2 is getting an issue in Outlook, and client 3 is getting an issue while logging into the machine. Correct. So guys, and guys, okay, what's happening in a company? Okay, if any client, any users will get any queries technically, so they will raise a ticket. They will raise a ticket. Correct. And guys, you are okay as an engineer, you are responsible for okay seeing the ticket and providing a solution for a particular issue. Right. So guys, okay, just assume the conditions. Any MNC company okay works with okay in a whole locations, means in a pan India as well as in a USA, UK, all the locations, right? So guys, there are 3 different client. Okay, you got a 3 different ticket. Okay, but guys, the condition is all 3 ticket have the same timing. Timing is same. Okay, timing is same. Correct. So guys, if timing is same, so tell me which issue you resolve first, and how would you decide it? What is the parameter?
So priority wise, or which one is important?
So how would you decide which is important for you?
Sir, first login one, because in login we will check if the computer is in domain or IP address is correct, and I think it will be resolved soon, comparing to the operating system and Outlook.
Means you will go with the easy issue, right? Which
Yes,
issue will be
sir.
resolved easily.
Easy and quick. Yes, sir.
Means we will follow a parameter easily and quickly solve any issue, right? The
Yes,
issue
sir.
who will take a less timing for solving, you will go with the first that one.
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. But this is a wrong parameter. In organization, you can't do like this. Then guys, any one other solution?
Sir, Outlook is very important, sir. I will go with the client too.
How? How are you saying Outlook is important and OS is not
Because
important, login is
mails
not
are important.
important?
Clients need to
Okay.
communicate with
And even person are
mail.
not okay. Even person operating system are not working. Okay, so it's not important.
It's important,
the
sir, but
first
it
issue, sir.
takes time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, anyone other any answers? You can let me know. What is the parameter you will follow, guys? Okay, because it's in a common. Okay, it's in a questions by a common sense. Correct. It not needs technical and understanding too much.
OS, sir.
OS, sir.
What is the reasons?
If OS is
Sir, if OS is
Because
not
if the
working,
OS is
the whole
also in-
system we can't access anything.
Okay,
sir,
and
we
even
We can't
person
can
are
access.
log in,
even person are not able to log in, so the person can access anything without login. No.
Yes. Without
So
login.
One by
simple
one.
thing. Okay, and guys, you are a human, right? You have only two hands, right? You can resolve one issue at a time, right? Now you can
Sir, we
resolve
use
single issue at a time. Yes.
So can we use ritual? We can access two or more at the same time.
Not like that, guys. Okay, simple thing. First of all, which issue you will resolve first, night will be not decided by you. In the tickets, the priority will be written. Which ticket have a higher priority, you will resolve that one first. What is the meaning? Let's try to understand. Guys, priority have some levels. Okay, we have some levels of priority. We have some levels of priority. Guys, we have a P1. Number 2, we have a P2. Number 3, we have P3. Number 4, we have a P4. Okay. And number 5, we have a P5. Okay, guys, we have a 5 different level of priority. P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5. Guys, what is the meaning? Just give me a second. Guys, simple meaning. P1 priority is also known as a critical. P1 priority also known as a critical. Okay. P2 priority known as a high. Guys, remember the levels of priority. Okay, it will help you in a real time. P3 priority is a medium. P4 priority is a low, and P5 priority is a very low. You can see anything. Okay, what's happening? The ticket, guys, you have a 3 different ticket now. The ticket who has the higher priority is written. Okay, and guys, priority will be decided by a client. Okay, your users as well as sometimes the company internal employee, okay, who are creating a ticket. They will decide what is the level of the priority. Correct. Critical, high, medium, low, and very low. We have 5 levels. We have a total 5 levels of priority. Right. Critical, high, medium, low, and very low. The ticket who has a very low priority, correct, you will resolve last. Okay, means the ticket who has a higher priority, okay, needs a first solution, guys. Okay, for example, guys, okay, for a client one, the issue is a P1. For a client two, the issue is a P3. For login issue is a P2. So guys, it's actually you resolve P1 issue first, na? Because guys, what is the meaning of priority? Importance, right? So guys, client one is the more important for you, right? Guys, right or wrong?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right now, so you will
Because
resolve client one issue first because client one has a more priority, right? Because it will be decided by a client. Okay, because what's happening now? VIP client, okay, VIP client and some okay extraordinary means extraordinary client have access, okay, to define a priority. Correct. So guys, the ticket who has a higher priority, you will resolve that one issue first. Right. So as client one has a higher priority P1. So you will resolve client one issue first. Correct. But guys, okay, I'm making a twist. Okay, I'm doing something twisting. Guys, now the condition is okay, guys, it may possible that you got a three ticket, okay, and guys, two ticket by same priority, P1 and P1. Tell me now. Now you will resolve client three issue first or client one issue first. Tell me, guys. First of all, you will resolve the issue first which have a higher priority, right? Correct. But if two ticket have a same priority and different issue, then which one you will resolve first? And then how would you decide what is the parameter?
which one is
Because
which one
which one?
which which one will be easy, sir? Which one will be solved quickly and we can go to the next priority?
Yeah.
Which one we will solve quickly?
So
Okay. And anyone that? Yes, guys. When two ticket have a okay same priority means same importance, same urgency. Then who needs? Then which ticket, which issue needs the first solution? Okay, and how would you decide it? What is the parameter? Because okay, and you need to follow the ITIL concept, the ITIL process for managing, okay, for delivering a services. Okay, you need to follow ITIL concept for delivering the services. So which one? Okay, so guys, now we are starting. All right, guys. Okay, I'm telling you. When two tickets of the same priority, na, okay, and you are confused which one needs a first solution. So don't be confused here. When two tickets of the same priority, then you need to follow severity. Then okay, then what? Okay, then what you need to do? Then you need to follow severity. Okay. Because what is the meaning of severity? Severity means the impact on the company due to issue. The impact on the company due to issues means due to which issue company will get more impact. Okay, due to which issue company will get more impact, company will get more losses, company will get more bad feedback. Okay, that one issue you resolve first. Okay, and guys, you are a technical person. Okay, just try to understand my point here. Guys, OS is the issue for a client one, right? And client 3 have a issue login. Guys, all of you are already aware that OS issue happening in a means happening in a single PC, na? Right? Single machine, right now. Because client 3 is saying I'm not able to log in. Okay, and guys, also client 3 is saying that my password is correct. Means I've given a correct password, but even I'm not able to log in. Right. So guys, and you know very well the users username and password like thing is stored in an Active Directory, right? That's correct now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and guys, Active Directory present in a server, right? Means it's a server issue. In short,
Yes, sir.
okay, and you can reset a password of a client 3, it will resolve maybe. Okay, guys, but you will okay, you need to go on a server machine, right? Then you can resolve it. Correct. So guys, server has a more priority na, than a single machine because guys from okay means if we resolve our client one issue first. Okay, so guys, a single issue will be resolved, right? For a single machine, for a single user. But it may possible that okay, your Active Directory is not working properly, right? That's why the okay, client is getting a login issue, guys. Maybe okay, maybe in a future, okay, lot of clients will complain that I'm not able to log in. I got log out automatically. Means guys, you are taking a person, right? And you are thinking how it's possible. How it's possible that this client is using the same password from last 1 and 2 years, okay, and able to log in and today not able to log in. Correct. So guys, you will resolve a login issue first because login issue will be resolved okay when you will okay reset a password in a server, right? When you will create a new password for a user, right? It means you need to go on a server machine. Correct. Okay, and guys, server has a more priority than a single machine, right? Because okay, from okay, you're a technical person, you know, from a one server 10 20 40 50 PC are connected, right? Now 100 PC are connected, right, guys? So you are a technical person, you know that if you will resolve the login issue first, correct? So it will be very helpful for the company. Okay, because guys, okay, sir, okay, because while solving the login issue, you need to move to a server. Okay, you need to move to a server machine. Correct. So okay, so guys, we resolve a login issue first because the login have a more priority. Okay, means sorry. Okay, means login issue is a okay, login issue is a more you can say important than anything right now. Because okay, you will resolve it by going through the server. Is right or wrong? Okay, guys, you will resolve it by okay, guys, by going through the server, na? Correct. Okay, guys. So login issue is a more important for you because if you will solve the login issue means client 3 issue, so it will be more helpful for the company. Correct. So guys, when two trigger the same priority, okay, then you need to think about a severity. Okay, and guys, severity means the impact on the company due to means due to which issue company will get more impact, right? So due to login issue, company will get more impact because login issue will be resolved easy. Yeah, all the issues are easy, but will be resolved when we reset a password from a server means you need to move to a server machine, right? Correct. So guys, the issues okay if two trigger have the same priority, so then guys, okay, as an engineer, you need to think about a severity. Okay, and according to severity, okay, according to severity, the impact on a company due to means okay due to issue means due to which issue company will get more losses, company will get more impact. Due to which issue company will get more is okay more impact and more losses. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now any queries, anyone?
No, sir.
Right. Okay, guys. So in your notebook, write it down. Okay, the definition of priority. Okay, because I don't have a definition of priority. Okay, in my notebook. Okay, I can tell you verbally. Right. So okay, in your notebook, write it down. What is priority? Okay. Okay. So okay, write it down. Okay, what is the meaning of okay? What is the definition of priority? The importance of the issue. Okay, okay, write it down. Okay, what is priority? The important, the importance, the importance. Okay, not important. The importance, the importance, and the urgency of any issue. The importance and the urgency of any issues. The importance and the urgency of any issues. The importance and the urgency of any issues that should be fixed firstly. That should be fixed firstly, known as the priority. The importance of any issue that should be fixed firstly, known as a priority.
So that should be fixed.
Fixed, fixed firstly. FIRSTLY, firstly. Okay, and about the severity now, the impact on the company due to issue means due to which issue company will get more losses, company will get more impact, needs a first solution. That is clear. Priority and severity meaning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, now the next topic. Now we have SLA, OLA, and this all. Okay, we will run from tomorrow. Okay, because okay, tomorrow we have also timing of tomorrow, right? So tomorrow we will run from 11 to 20 topic. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, because the things are very easy. Okay, and I can't speak too much now, right? That's why. Okay, so okay, you can revise your topic from 1 to 10. Okay, and 11 to 20 we will run on tomorrow. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Sure. Take care and bye bye for today. We will meet on tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.